In this video, I'm going to break down what I think is the easiest form of passive income and my exact 3-part strategy for generating $6,981 per week on average. Hey there, Freedom Creator. If you're new here, hi, I'm Molly. I started as a broke college dropout, this was my car, who leveraged 81 cents into a multiple 6-figure per year photography studio. I then started to create consistent content to help other photographers, and I grew that into a $2 million per year online digital information products business. And now I help content creators and aspiring content creators just like you to monetize your content with digital info products so you can help your followers on a deeper level and make a full-time living doing what you love. When I first found out about digital info products, I was running my photography studio full-time, and I was also doing coaching and workshops on the side. I really wanted to scale my business up to help more people and increase the revenue in my business, but I simply didn't have any more time to give. I knew that I was going to need some streams of passive income so that I could scale up my business without trading more of my time for money. So when I found out I could put the knowledge I was already teaching in my coaching and workshops into digital info products and have them sell on autopilot without me trading more of my time for money, I knew that this was the solution that I needed. And I did just that. I got started selling digital information products in 2014, and I have tried it all. I have tried launches, paid ads, Etsy, affiliates, Shopify, you name it, I've tried it. But after trying all of those different methods, I want to share with you today what I have found to be the easiest form of passive income. And I'm going to break my strategy down into 3 easy to follow parts. Now, I'm not going to claim anyone can do this because, well, how can anyone claim that? But I will say that if you're willing to put in at least 5 hours a week, you're willing to post on social media, and you have something to share with others that will help solve a painful problem for them, then you might just find this to be the easiest form of passive income too. Not only that, but this is the ultimate freedom lifestyle business model, in my opinion. I'm able to work on what I want, when I want, from wherever I want. Maybe it's my office, maybe it's a coffee shop, maybe it's a completely different state or a different country. I'm no longer tied down to a brick and mortar business. Having a digital info products business really gives me that ultimate freedom that I was looking for. I now have the freedom to set my schedule how I want to. I'm able to help an unlimited number of people, and I can scale my business as big as I want to. Okay, Molly, we get it, but just show us the frickin' framework already. And really quickly, before I share with you this 3-part framework, if you are wanting a list of 54 different types of digital products so you can know which one you want to create, go in the description below my video and you can download it 100% for free. Okay, so the 3-part framework that I find to be the easiest form of passive income is: number 1, create consistent YouTube videos for consistent traffic. Number 2, create a freebie to build your email list, just kind of like the one that I just shared with you guys about the 54 different types of digital products that you can download for free. And number 3, create an automated email sequence so you can have all of your selling done on autopilot. This is how you get those passive sales. Now let's dive deeper into number 1, YouTube videos for consistent traffic. Now, in order to sell anything, you are going to need consistent traffic, because without getting eyeballs on your thing, there's no possible way that you will get any sales. And without putting out consistent traffic, you won't be getting consistent eyeballs on your stuff to make those consistent passive sales. Now, I've tried all the things for consistent traffic in the past. We're talking blogging, Pinterest, TikTok, Instagram, paid ads, and any of those, of course, can work. But what I have found to be the absolute best to get eager, ready to buy leads and also to get paid to create content is, you guessed it, YouTube. Now, I put out 1 to 2 YouTube videos every single week on this channel, and it never fails to bring me consistent traffic and consistent sales. Not to mention, it's a type of marketing that I can feel really good about. I'm able to get paid through YouTube AdSense to create helpful, free content for you guys. And then those who want more help or to work with me on a deeper level can purchase my paid digital products. And the best part is there's not any hard selling. I'm simply just putting out free, helpful content every single week. And it's a business model that makes me very happy. Okay, the second part of the framework is creating your freebies so you can move those followers to email list subscribers. Because listen, people on your email list are 40 times more likely to purchase your paid products than directly from social media. Not to mention, you own the email list data. So if something was to happen to your social media account, or it was to get shut down, or you were to get demonetized. It wouldn't actually really affect you that much because you can still contact all of your followers via email and you're still going to be able to make money via your digital products. Now, the point of doing this is to offer something additionally helpful for free to your followers so that they will get that freebie in exchange for joining your email list. From there, you're going to set up automated email sequences to continue to nurture your audience and help them further for free, but also send them invitations to your digital products or program. Okay. Third is your automated email sequence through System.io. That is the software that I use. And if you want a totally free account, go in the description below this video and you can sign up for System.io completely for free. Now, this is my absolute favorite part. I was able to write a bunch of emails in System.io in advance. And so whenever someone downloads a freebie, they're automatically sent that freebie and then they're automatically put into what's called an automated email sequence. This is where I can say, oh, they're going to get 1 email a week for 6 weeks or an email a day. Like, you can literally set it however you want to, when you want them to get emails, of what intervals, what emails they're getting. So right now I have about 6 months worth of automated emails, and these rotate between nurture free helpful emails and invitations to purchase my digital products and programs. So when somebody gets on my email list, they're going to get those 6 months of emails, and I don't have to worry about manually sending out an email every single week. And I'm making sure that everyone is going through that same process so that everything is streamlined flawlessly. Now that you know how I sell my digital products passively and the exact strategy that I use, you might be wanting some digital product ideas to get you started, but how do you do that? Well, it all starts with watching this video next here, because when you pair what you just learned with what's in this video, it's going to be so much more powerful. See you in the next video.